Hello all and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So my today's topic is the EFT tapping for husband. So whatever is the reason because of which you feel that there is no connection between you and your husband, or sometimes it happens that because of the anger between you and your husband there is no contact, or in some of the cases it happens that because of the pressure of the parents, both husband and wife, they are not able to talk freely and they go away from each other. So whatever is the reason because of which you feel that disconnection between you and your husband, the love which you want to experience between you and your husband, you can have that by simply practicing this EFT tapping. So before starting, let me introduce myself. Myself, Usha Mahale Bomle. I'm a law of attraction coach and the author of the book High Vibes: A Journey to an Abundant Life. So if you want to know more about the EFT tapping, Ho'oponopono, and also if you want to know more about the life coaching sessions which I take, and again I'm going to start with the meditation sessions also. Recorded sessions will be available for meditation. You have to simply go and purchase that course from my website and you can avail that and you can live mindfully, easily and effortlessly at any time of your day. So let's begin. Even though I feel that there is a no connection between me and my husband, and sometimes I feel that disconnectedness between me and my husband. In spite of that, I deeply love and accept myself exactly as I am. Even though I get the self doubt whether my husband truly loves me or not, whether he is loyal to me or not, and in any condition, I deeply love, accept, and honor myself exactly as I am. Even though I feel there is a lack of love in our relationship, in spite of that, I deeply love, accept, and honor myself exactly as I am. I release all that anger in our relationship, which is stored in my subconscious mind right now. Knowingly or unknowingly, I have only attracted this situation because of which I feel this disconnection between me and my husband. So I release all the disconnection which I have only created with myself right now. Whatever is happening in my life, it's just my self doubt. Because of the self doubt, I have created this situation. I have manifested this situation in my life. I release all the self doubt which is not serving me to have an amazing relationship with my husband. I release all that lack of love towards myself because of which I am not able to express the love towards my husband. I let go all that misunderstandings between me and my husband right now. I release whatever is the negativity, grudges, sadness I feel when my husband is not talking with me. I release it right now. Whatever is the reason because of which I get the negative energy towards my husband, I release that right now. I let go all that conditions, situations, and the people involved in the situation right now. I release all that self doubt towards my own health. I let go all that guilt and shame in my relationship because of which I have attracted the lack of love right now. I release all that negativity towards my career which I sent knowingly or unknowingly. I let go. I let God. I release all that money blocks, all that insecurity towards the money right now. I release any negative emotion wherever it is stored in my subconscious mind, which I have only created consciously or unconsciously right now. I don't know what is the reason because of which my husband is not talking with me, and I feel sad. I feel frustrated. So I release all the frustration right now. Whatever is the sadness I feel when my husband is not talking with me, I let go it right now. I release all that anger which I have towards the people involved in this situation right now. I release all the negativity in our relationship right now. When I think about our relationship, I feel insecure. I feel jealous. So I release all that insecurity, jealousy in my relationship right now. When I see the other couples, I feel that how beautiful relationship they have. And I feel the lack of love, lack of connection in our relationship. So I release all that lack of connection and lack of love in our relationship right now. I know that it's me only who overthinks about my own relationship with my husband. So, whatever is the overthinking reason, I am ready to release it right now. I know that there are some complaints of mine towards myself only. So, whatever the complaints I am holding towards myself, I release it right now. When I am not able to love myself fully, how can I expect that others will love me? So I release all that lack of self love, which I have only created in my life right now. I have given the priority to others to give me the happiness. But now I am taking that control from others to myself only. I am only responsible for my happiness, no other person, no other situation, or the condition. I am the source of my happiness and the love. I have simply forgotten that. And now, as I have remembered that, I am ready to release all that stress which has been created because of the current situation between me and my husband right now. Sometimes I feel that loneliness, which is responsible to think me negative, but actually, because of the lack of self love, I am feeling lonely. So now I make my own first priority. And as I make my own first priority, I release this lack feeling right now. It's not the first time that I have got this lack feeling. In my past, also, many times, I have got this lack feeling, lack of love, lack of attention, lack of money, lack of opportunities. So, wherever I feel this lack feeling towards my health, relationship, career, and money, I am ready to release it right now. I know that it's my own self talk which is creating all the negativity, all the sadness in our relationship. So I release all that negative self talk right now. I know that I'm only responsible for creating this situation, for attracting this situation. So I release all that negative vibrations, which are sent to the universe, because of which I have created this situation. And now I am ready to experience the love. I am ready to experience the amazing health and the amazing relationship ever. Blessings are coming to my way. My husband and I have a perfect relationship. Unlimited tanas, unlimited criticism is allowed in our relationship. Unlimited fights are allowed in my relationship because it can happen to myself also. I can give unlimited criticism, unlimited tanas to myself also. So that is allowed. There is a lot of love, respect, and intimacy in our relationship. We are best friends of each other. We simply love to spend quality time with each other. We can share anything with each other. There is a complete transparency between me and my husband. We respect each other. We understand each other. We respect each other's work as well. Thank you, dear universe. Now I have an amazing health ever. I love my body. I treat my body like a temple. I'm so happy and grateful now that everything is happening for my highest good. Thank you, dear universe. Now all my relationships are loving and harmonious. I love myself the way I am. Love surrounds me. I am lovable because I exist. Thank you, dear universe. Now my career is growing exponentially. I am attracting the new opportunities in my career. I love my job. I love my career. I love my business. I am attracting unlimited paid students in my business, in my career. Thank you, dear universe. Now, money is coming to me in an increasing amount from expected and unexpected sources of income on a continuous basis. I'm so happy and grateful now that I have an amazing relationship with my money. My money loves me. I love my money. I'm so happy and grateful now that I have an unlimited abundance in my health, relationship, career, and money. Take a deep breath. Thank you so much for practicing with me. If you feel that I have added any value in your life, so please press the like button, share it with your 3 friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, love you all. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you.